How to deposit a check with Bank of America mobile application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can deposit a check with Bank of America mobile application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up the application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So from your home page, navigate to the bottom of the interface, tap on deposit check option. After you do that, you will land on this kind of interface where you have to take a picture of your check from the front and back of your check. Once you take your check pictures, and on the next step, you will land this kind of interface where you have to enter the amount. Then tap on next. So once you're done with that, you have to preview your transfer. Once you're done with that, tap on done. After that, you will see your confirmation message and your deposit will process. So that's it. That's how you can deposit a check with Bank of America on mobile application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.